This is the MAPerformance exhaust for the 2022 and up BRZ GR86. For over a year now, I've had on the HKS Spec L exhaust that was designed for the first gen BRZ. So I'm very excited to see how much bigger the piping is going to be on the 2022 and up design exhaust. Obviously I got this from MAPerformance, and I have a referral link in the description of all my videos, and if you use my MAPerformance referral link to buy anything from them, then you can save a little money. Yep, dude, look at that. Already right off the bat. That's a big pipe. This is the HKS Spec L exhaust. It doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult to get off, so I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to need to grab it on the other side. This is my point of view right now. Did you get a Frappuccino?
Yeah, fuck today.
You didn't get me a Frappuccino?
You know I was coming home.
It's kind of messed up.
You didn't say you wanted one.
I always want one. It's a Frappuccino.
Want some?
No. How's the baby doing?
She's been kicking a lot today.
She's trying to make her escape.
She can come whenever she wants.
No, she can't. She's not even 6 pounds yet.
She's almost 6 pounds.
That's too small. We need her to be a big fat baby. Michelin baby.
She can be a Michelin baby when she comes out. After she comes out.
Also, I am going to be giving away this HKS Spec L exhaust. Back in the video where I put this on, probably in January of 2022, I said that I was going to give this away when I upgraded the exhaust. That's exactly what I'm doing. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I will tell you BRZ, FRS, GR86 owners how to enter for that. Okay, here's my exhaust hanger removal tool. This thing is awesome. There's one. The car is not high enough for me to get all the way back there, so I'm gonna have to jack up the front. I might just do one side, we'll see. So now I'm just hanging on this one exhaust hanger right here. Oh, that's really light. 17? Dude, what the hell? Okay, so right now my arm is the only thing holding the mid pipe up. And it's got this one bolt here, but I need to support it somehow. So it doesn't put too much stress on that one bolt. Oh, I guess it's... Here's the mid pipe resonator. I want to show you guys how much bigger the MAPerformance piping is. Look at that. That is a huge difference. Pretty sure this is the right way. There. She's on there. Now I'm gonna need this. You're gonna need this little adapter here if you have an aftermarket front pipe, like I do. I have the JDL Catted... No, it's not Catted. I think it's just resonated front pipe. First thing I'll do is take this, whatever kind of clamp this is called, put it on there. So this is gonna go just like that. Holy moly. I should really invest in the quick jack. Not a lot of space in here. Okay. Now we are in business. Another thing, boys. MST intake is still for sale for the 2022 and up BRZ BRZ. I'm selling it for $250, and I am willing to ship it. And also, I don't know if any of you are Halo fans, but I already have 6 of these, so I guess I'll just throw in a little Master Chief with it. This is the home stretch, ladies and gentlemen. I got one side in. Now I need to get that side through the exhaust hangers. Okay, push that side pretty much all the way over. Okay, now I take this clamp, whatever this is called, I think a C-clamp, and I'll show you. Okay, I need to rotate this one, this pipe right here. I need to rotate it this way. Should be able to rotate this now. Almost got it. Oh, son of a bitch. Well, I finally got that clamp on. I just pulled it out a little bit, and that gave me enough wiggle room to rotate it properly. So, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it just like that for now. That might be a little tough, but let's do it. I think it's my freaking front pipe. I got it on, I just kind of muscled it together. I'm going to show you pictures on screen of how my front pipe is sitting on an OEM hanger that's coming down that the stock front pipe sat on. I want you guys to let me know if your aftermarket front pipes look similar to mine in the, how it sits on that little hanger. I'm not sure that's the way it's supposed to sit because that front pipe is rattled ever since I put it on. So I just sent those pictures to JDL's Instagram. Hopefully they respond and let me know if that's the way it should sit or if it's not. Now all we have to do is put on the tips. So MAPerformance, they are offering polished tips or burnt blue, and I got these. Holy crap, dude. That is bigger than the HKS stuff I had on. Here's the MAPerformance tip. It goes right over it. Damn. So you see how I had the clamp all the way towards the edge, towards the lip of the exhaust tip, and that is how you want it, just because physics. You don't want these things too tight, but you want them on there. Okay, not going anywhere now. Everything's done. See if I can get a good shot. Dude, I'm so pumped. Love putting on new exhausts. I don't think I did a good job lining them up. Oh, actually, no, those look pretty good. Dude, are you kidding me? That is very loud. And keep in mind, I have an aftermarket JDL front pipe. But holy shiitake mushrooms, dude. Dude, my neighbors are really, that was by far, I think this is the already loudest car I don't know. Okay, we need to go drive it. Oh my God. What First of all, so much louder than the HKS Spec L that I just had on the car. Oh my God. Okay, thanks, Semi. What in the world, dude? I am extremely impressed right now. Okay, I've been saying for like the past year that I cannot wait to make this car louder, and I have absolutely done it. It's probably pretty similar to the loudness of the Type R. But that startup, dude, that startup was, this car starts up like over 1500 RPM, at least for like the first like 30 seconds or whatever. That was probably the loudest startup I've ever had in a car. Okay, so we need to do a drone test. I need to get up to 70 miles an hour. Okay, 70 miles an hour. I'm just cruising. It's a little more noticeable than before, but it is nowhere near as bad enough to like complain about it. And also the Type R drone's a lot worse than this. This is, there's, let me try 75. That's weird. Okay, at 75 miles an hour, there's like less drone, like almost nothing. It's very linear, so the more throttle you give, the louder the exhaust gets, which is exactly what it's supposed to be like. Downshift to 5th. I'll go down to 4th, actually. I don't drive here too often, so I don't know this turn. That was to the floor. Holy shit, dude. Good job, MAPerformance. This is I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't know if it was going to be any louder or not, but absolutely it is. So I don't know if you noticed, or I didn't really mention this when I installed it, but it doesn't have a resonator. It just has like a big muffler section. This MAPerformance exhaust weighs more than the HKS Spec L. So if that's something that you strongly consider when purchasing an exhaust system or aftermarket parts, keep that in mind. I mean, it's much bigger piping, so it kind of has to weigh more, right? Oh my God. Oh, I should have taken that road. Oh no, I shouldn't have. Looks like shit. Well, I'm just gonna do a quick little U-ey here. You know what's weird too? Is my front pipe is not rattling anymore. Oh wait. Maybe slightly, but nowhere near as bad as it was. Should I try to be stupid here? Probably not. Dude. Oh, yes, please. So I'm trying to get MAPerformance to sell the HKS GT2 supercharger for the new BRZ. They don't currently have it in stock. I think the only place that has it in stock is Subi Mods. Correct me if I'm wrong. But since so many people have used my referral link to buy their mods from MAPerformance, I get a little bit of a commission from each time you guys do that. And if they were to sell the HKS supercharger, then I would be able to buy it. I'm trying to get them to get that in stock, because then there's my supercharger. But I would be really curious. I think I'd be a little mad at myself if I didn't go through the NA tuning process first. Yeah, I can smell the exhaust breaking in. Oh, those downshifts. I gotta hear this car from the outside. I'm still really surprised at how zippy it is. I don't want to sound like a boomer, but she's zippy. It's got some pep in its step. Oh my God. Wow. Obviously in the description of this video I'll have a link to this exact exhaust. And you know what, I'll also have a link to the JDL front pipe that I have. I'm gonna try to get one exhaust clip from the outside. Dude, this is the type of shit that's gonna have Karens calling the cops on me now. Like, this is so much louder, I can't even explain it. I really hope the GoPro does a good job picking up the exhaust. Look at those things just rumbling, dude. Just rumbling. Oh, I think there's a Karen right over the fence there. Can we just take a second to admire the burnt blue tips? I think I need to tighten that one a little more. Wow. This is so sick, dude. That wasn't a great downshift. All right, for the HKS Spec L exhaust giveaway. Yeah, I am willing to ship out the exhaust, and I guess with the exhaust, I'll ship out another little Hail action figure with it, just for fun. All you need to do to enter for that is follow me on Instagram, and number 2, I'm gonna be posting a reel of the startup with the new exhaust, and all you have to do is comment on it. So follow me on Instagram and comment on my new post today, and I think I'll probably give it maybe a week. Maybe that's too long. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Maybe after a week, I will gather all of those comments together, and obviously make sure that the exhaust is going to go to somebody who has a BRZ G86, FRS, or GT86, because that exhaust will fit all those different cars. And then I'll put all those names into an Excel sheet and then use some random website that'll make a random selection. And then I'll end up responding to your comment and ship out the exhaust. So that's all I have for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Can you crack my back?
No.
Come on, you didn't get it. Babe. Come on. Do it. Oh, come on. You're not as strong as you once were.
I have a human.
You should be stronger then.
Hey, what do you think the Jeep's leaking? The water?
Probably condensation from the radiator.
You know it's gonna rain, right?
Doesn't look like it.
It is gonna rain.
Doesn't look like it.
But it is gonna rain.
Says who?
The weather app. How did you even do that?
Drove it up sideways. I've done it before with the Type R. That's why the car is, there's so much space, because I had to be over there. And I just drove it up sideways.
Space? What space? I don't see space.
She put in a hard day at Starbucks. She has a bunch of cardboard on her shirt. She has...
Look at my legs.
She has syrup and coffee all over her ankles.
Oh, and I just walked my... Yeah, well, I don't just fuck around at work. Like, I go ham.
Go ham. You go cam. Or not.
Round upside down.
Did you feed the kitties?
No, you did this morning. Or last night.
You haven't fed them? So how long is this gonna take?
Don't know. I've already done like 1/8 of it.
Wow.